And while I have this 08 MDX, hello fellow YouTubers, I'm going to take apart the dome lights. And there you have it. Good old tiny flathead, such as so. There you go. Pull her out. And I'll put the link to what these are. I think they're 194s, like most imports. Ooh, we can do it without the cover. Let me do the back one too while I'm at it, while I'm here. Same thing. Let's do it. All right, let's do this. Let's do the whole car. There you go. Hinges are on this side. So what made it easier was go from here. You see? Something flat, it pops right out. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. You see? Oh, God, I'm good. All right, that's that one, and let's go shoot for that one. Okay, so since this wonderful car has a power lock issue, which the video is over here somewhere, we have to go through the back door rather than this door because you can't open it. So same principle, right in between, and it pop out. Come on, can you do it with one hand? That's coming. Yes, you get the idea. You see? It'll just pop out. Oh, just like that. All right, so I need both hands to put that back, and now you get it. So like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.